Hey guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. It's Danielle, and today we're heading to Pinstripes in San Mateo. We parked on the first floor, so we're heading down all the way straight, and it's a short level view because I'm short. We came here on a Friday afternoon for happy hour. I believe we were there for 3 o'clock, I believe. No reservations. It's their 50% off any bottle of wine for Fridays, which is pretty cool. Then we walk upstairs with the really cool cashier waitress lady. She's really super sweet. She gave us an hour time frame to go ahead and start bowling for the day. As we enter in, on the left side will be the bocce area.
This is where they do.
There's also a discount for that one as well during happy hour. It's 50% off, I believe. And then as we enter in through the other doors, there's the shoes on the right where you don't have to get them, but it's cool. They have all sizes. And here's the happy hour menu. Truffle fries, crispy Brussels sprouts, pigs in a blanket, world's most delectable chicken wings, tenderloin sliders, crispy calamari, Wisconsin cheese curds, sticky barbecue ribs. We ended up getting the flatbreads, which is a really great price for $12. The Margherita, pepperoni, and chicken avocado club. So while my friend Drew was playing, let me give you a little information about Pinstripes. For their happy hour, we played about for an hour $40. That's not including the food that we purchased for happy hour and drinks. There are 13 locations in the US, and we happen to be at the one in San Mateo, California. This location has 12 bowling lanes, 4 bocce courts, and the employees are super on top of things. Like when I needed a drink, they'd come by even before I needed to ask them. They always made sure that we were like eased into everything. We thought everything was okay. I would definitely come back for sure. Like their customer service, super top notch, as you can see. Cue the slow pour. But yeah, all in all, we had played a few games, probably I want to say 4 to 5 within that hour. Towards the end, we were trying to rush through, trying to see if we can add another game. But other than that, it was pretty cool. Here is a bit of the foods that we ended up getting. Those ribs were awesome. I got the Margherita. The overview of this place is pretty big. And it's really open. There's so many lounge chairs just to relax. It's not like one of those dingy classic bowling alleys. Here's the wine list for the happy hour menu. There was a bunch of other things that I wanted to purchase, but I think the Prosecco was just enough. If you ever find yourself free for a Friday afternoon with a bunch of friends, I highly suggest making a reservation here at Pinstripes. Because me and my friend went, and we were very lucky to get an hour in. We even tried to extend, but unfortunately they had other reservations. So by the time we left, all lanes were fully packed.
No!
Would you ever think about coming over to Pinstripes? Or do you know any other locations in the peninsula that you would like to try? You can comment below and let me know. I'm down to try anything new. But for now, we're on to our next stop because I'm not ready to go home just yet.
Tell them where we're going. Tell them where we're going next.
The next place that we're going to is right over there.
God damn, I thought we were done.
We're not done. We're not done! Located next to the shores of Burlingame and Millbrae, overlooking San Francisco Airport, we're heading back to the #1 golfing area that I love going to on a Friday afternoon. Or Friday evening, I should say.
We're going to Malibu. Woo!
Isn't that in Redwood City?
That was a spot.
I was, until they tore it down.
Now I start working now, yeah. All the fun shit's going.
304? This time around, we ended up on the 3rd floor. Well, I had to enter in my number so I can get my points, and we went with the best deal, which was the 65 minutes. The views over here are amazing, and always have a great time. We got a few more snacks just to finish off the night because I was still a little bit hungry. I didn't really want to eat too much, but save some for home. As far as locations for people to hang out in entertainment centers on the peninsula, it's very light. You can count like a handful of places that's usually open, and Topgolf happens to be one of them. They are open till about 1 a.m. and you just can't beat the views of this place. Join me on my next adventure. See ya!